Hi all, Dan here from Collectible87, and this time we have Steam Siege. Now the reason the box is already opened is they're missing 2 of the packs, so we only have 34 packs. Bought it from eBay as an open box sort of job, so we're not entirely sure what we're going to get. I mean, 2 packs, they could have put 2 boxes together, maybe think they've taken out the good ones, I don't know, but in the corner we have 34 packs and we are looking for these cards. This is what we are missing from the collection, so that's the aim. Let's crack them open and see what we can get. Start with a Xerneas pack. If I can get a Xerneas pack open. Jesus. And finally, the pack is open. So we're going to dump the commons, go straight to the uncommons. We have a Pokemon Ranger, a Drifloon, a Flappy, Deino is a reverse common, and a Spiritomb is a standard rare. Let's just get those a bit more out of shot. There we go. Moving on to a Yveltal pack. So not a great start, but you know, we can get better. We could get better. Better pulls. Anyway, sorry, I've got a bit mental today. I haven't quite, gone the way I'd hoped this week. So Tangela reverse and a Talonflame is the rare. That's a good card. You get to go on the very small bench. Pack number 3. And we have yet another green code. Gotta start putting up videos soon on trading card game pulls. So if you like seeing me open some packs on there, keep following with Greed Dice and a Hooper. Not the best Hooper, but not bad. Nothing compared to the EX version with the Scoundrel ring. Oh, these packs are tough. So no pulls as of yet, but we have found our white code. So hopefully, we are due a holo or an EX from this pack. Dewott, Claw Fossil, Clang. Bastardon is a reverse rare, and an Infernape is a holo rare. Still waiting for our first EX of the box. Now, yeah, we don't know, because this box is already open, we may not get any. Could be Wade, or I don't think so. I mean, I have actually bought from this same seller. I did a video on it before. If you check out one of the older videos from this seller, and that was a very good box. So hopefully, Ninja Boy reverse holo. That's a good card. You can be bench. And a Steelix EX. So as we were saying, I have bought from this seller before, so I think the open box side of things is genuine. So hopefully we do get some good pulls. A full art Sycamore would be good, although I do have one already, but you can never get enough full art Sycamores. So we need quite a few breaks from this set. A Talonflame break would be quite nice. A Nuzleaf, a Armpuzzle, a Bravery, a Tangela is the reverse, and an Armadillo, as I like to call him, is the rare. What have I done here? Reverse rares, reverse, that's better. Gardevoir, can you bring me some Gardevoir luck? To give away the code. There we go. Let us know what you get in the comment section below. As you saw, it was a white code. So let's hope for Gardevoir luck. Still Spiritomb, Nidorino, Anorith. A Fletchlinder is the reverse. And it's a Yveltal holo, which is a lovely card actually. You are definitely bench worthy. Sorry, that was taken off. screen. Hopes for a green code in case they think I'm switching packs. No switching going on here. Let's see what we can get. Ninja Boy. We'll go with his friend, Mr. Ninja Boy. Pokemon Ranger. A Bergamite is the reverse. And a Pyroar is the standard rare. And I drop the pack. Oh dear. Why do they make them so tough nowadays? People like opening them in stores or something and they just try and make it a lot harder for things to get in. Oh. White code. Phew. Yeah. Come on, EX. What can we pull? A Rapidash, a Pokemon Ranger, a Shellos, and a Mega Gardevoir. Mega Gardevoir EX. Lovely pull. We're going to push up the Ninja Boys to the top of the screen there and place the Gardevoir slightly on top of the Steelix. And move on. Ninja Boy, get back on the screen. The green code. Come on, the brakes. Really missing a lot of brakes. I find it's hard set to get brakes in actually, Steam Siege. I don't know why. Special Charge, that's a good card. You can go with my special trainers. And yeah, Mega is the rare. That's what that new pile is up there. It's just going to be for decent trainers. I do like the Special Charge. Not much value to it, but it's a good card nonetheless. So bench worthy in my opinion. A lot of people probably wouldn't bench it, but you know. Captivating Pokepuff, Clang, Lampent, a Marill is the reverse, and an Ampharos is the holo. Rare. There are 2 EXs so far, 2 packs missing from the box as we said at the start of the video, so how many EXs are we going to get? That's the question. Are we going to get 5? 5 would be nice. Would take 5 if I was offered it at this stage. Ampom, Shieldon, Monferno, a Probopass reverse rare, and a Samurott. Standard rare. About halfway through our, we'd call it a mini box, but it's not quite a mini box, so we'll call it a slightly smaller than normal box. Actually, you can have that code for you guys. And I dropped the cards, and off we go. A Tangrowth, Haucha, Skiploom, Seedot, and a Weevil. Rare. The camera likes to focus in on what's going on up here, so, or wherever my hands are, so you don't get to, I haven't really worked out how you get a good sort of view of the bench yet, because I just don't think this is probably the camera for it. There's only a phone cam, but you have to kind of do this and sort of slowly bring it down, and then, nope, didn't work. Anyway, carrying on, Lampent, Haucha, Tangrowth, Apom is the reverse, and a Probopass is the rare. Come on, Gardevoir, you brought me some luck last time. Bring me some more luck, Mr. Gardevoir. Oh. Can Mr. Gardevoir bring me a Mr. Break? If not, oh, a Special Charge. As we said, all that. Sword Spirit Team is a reverse rare, so that's not a bad bit of luck. At least we've got a reverse rare in there. Decent pack. We have a Mr. White code. Come on, do an EX. Come on, guys. We can do it. Will the EX? Will the EX? Ashwat? Oh, it's a Shiftry holo. We can't be angry at holos, but we can. Because that's a bad holo. Couldn't be angry at like a Yveltal holo. Talonflame reverse holo, but we have double white code. Now we're due it We've got to redo it. Come on. EX time. Clang. Oh, another special charge. Nidorino. A Mankey reverse. Oh, it's a Chandelure holo now. So we've got 2 EXs out of the first. I said we'd like 5, so oh, 3 white codes in a row. This is working out nicely. Chiron. Oh dear, I've ruined that. Nearly. Steelix Spirit Link. Flaffy. Rufflet is a reverse. And a Mega Steelix Full Art. Look at that card. That just glistens. Not exactly a very playable card of mine, but a Full Art Steelix. Mega Steelix to go with his Super Steelix. If we can get the Spirit Link, I'll stick that in the middle, but there we go. We have evolved our Steelix. And moving on. Oh, we've lost our trowel of white codes, so we're back onto the green, and I'm punching the camera yet again. If you saw my other video, you'd be laughing away because the camera must have fell out. Oh, we've got a hydrogen break and a Bastardon. As I was saying, yep, knocked over the camera numerous times, running out of sleeves. Yeah, knocked over the camera. Things went everywhere. It was not a good time, really. Not a good time. But these things happen. Moving on, we have a white code. There's not many good trainers actually in this set. Special charge Ninja Boy, meh. It's about all you get. Sycamores, another special charge. So Nidorino, Zweilous, Duot, and a Kling Clang. Kling Clang, Cooley Cooley, what's that? Kling Clang Clue, Kling Clang Clue, Kling Clang Clue. Yep, as I was saying, slightly insane this week, so just ignore me. Or not. Klefki, Duot, Gardevoir Spirit Link, Nidoran, and a Gastrodon. Gastrodon. We said 5. We wanted 5 EXs. We have 3. Come on, 2 more EXs. Would be nice. We have not got it here. Surely another break would be nice as well. Nidorino, Inferno. Special charge galore going on here. A Cloyster break and a Hooper Rare. And we are slowly running out of sleeves. I think I might need the Cloyster, did I? Anyone remember whether I need the Cloyster? I did. And the Hydreigon break. 2 cards we need there. We don't need the Mega Steelix or the Steelix itself. I think we need set number 78. No, we've got the Gardevoir as well. We do need both them break, so that's good. Let's see if we can pull a EX. We need Drifloon is a reverse and a Volcanion secret rare to take another sleeve. That is a great pull. Yeah, oh man. That's an awesome pull. You can't go to the top. Sorry, Yveltal, but you're going over here. You're going right there. Perfect view. Volcanion. Secret rare. I've actually got that card, but it's a secret rare. We always want secret rares, whether we've got them or not. I still want to get 1 more EX. We should be able to get another EX, right? All these packs. 1 more? Gotta be 1 more hiding in there. At least 1 more. Flappy and Ablug. We're gonna go on a little bit of a white code, green code trowel, I reckon. So we have to. These boxes can't be that good. Here we go. Here comes the green code trail. We've got to hope for some decent reverse rares. Oh, Sneasel is not one of those reverse rares. And the Toxicroak. And I haven't given you a code in a while, have I? What a mean person. Just merrily opening packs. You know, got nothing more on my mind. But this one's a surprise because we have not seen the colour of the code. Azumarill and Nuzleaf, and it was a green code. And a Meowth. Oh, oops. Green code. Which means we're only really here for the second from last. So we will go a plant. We'll show you the rare now. It's a Tangrowth rare. So, Meowth. Primate. Tangrowth was not the rare. What did I do there? Was there not a rare in that pack or a reverse holo? Did I put it down? Yep, it's down here. So, Litwick, Murray, Croagunk. There was no rare. There's the Marie. There was... There was no rare. I'm just going to double check. Have I missed it? Ah, it was Primate. Right, so I need to quit doing these. Anyway, let's pretend that never happened and go and find that sick VX we were talking about earlier. But it's not going to come in this Gardevoir, Spirit Link, Tangrowth, Fletchlinder, Pokemon Ranger is the reverse, and then a Moongoose. Has to be another EX in here, right? Oh, God, they're on the green code path. We cannot get out of this. The Pokepath is not even a holo. Not even a holo. A Weevil, that's a reverse rare. And a Talonflame, which is a good rare. So we'll take that pack. Happy with that pack. Again, no, this has got to be a white code, right? We can't have another green. We have. Got yet another green. Captivating Pokepop, Klefki, and someone else. Croagunk is the reverse, and a Volcanion is a good card. So we will put Volcanion here for now. Next to his battle buddy. We are down to the final 4 packs. And we've finally got a white code. A Skiploom, a Fletchlinder, an Azumarill, a Litto, and a Hydreigon holo. We are down to 3 to find that last EX card. And it's not going to come here. But we could get the break. Bravion, Klefki, Rapidash, and Nidoking. Down to 2. And it's not going to be this one either. So we're hoping for our last pack. Scabadamsel. A Steelix Spirit Link. Whee, there we go. We'll stick that there. Have a nice pass reverse. And a Gavantula. So, last pack. I'll give you the code if I can ever get into it. That way we will not know what colour it is. So there's the code. We do not know the colour. And we're going to slow roll it. Slow roll the last pack. Clawcher, Nidoran, Chimchar, Nosepass, Whitwick, Clang, Steelix Spirit Link Buddies, a Nuzleaf, a Chimchar is the reverse, and a Dragon Rare. Well, we got the secret rare, we got a Mega Steelix full art, we got a Mega Gardevoir, a Steelix half art, 2 breaks, and a bunch of good rares. So, all in all, not a bad box. Thank you for watching. See you again soon. Goodbye.